Is your job at risk of being replaced by AI? Well, it might be. AI is already transforming industries, and it's coming for jobs that many people thought were safe. Today, I'm breaking down 9 jobs that AI is set to replace by 2025. Some industries are getting hit harder than others, so make sure you stick around to the end for a bonus tip on how to avoid being replaced by AI. Let's get to it. First up is telemarketers. This has been a big industry for decades, but AI is really phasing it out. You've probably already noticed it. Those automated voice bots that call you, right? They can handle thousands of calls at once, and they're way cheaper for companies to use. Sometimes they're so good, you don't even realize you're talking to a bot. And as much as humans can add that personal touch, companies are going with AI because it's more efficient and cheaper. Plus, AI can adjust its pitch in real time, analyze customer reactions, and optimize faster than any human could. So yeah, if you're a telemarketer, you might want to start thinking about what's next. Next is bookkeeping and accounting. This has always been a solid career choice, right? Well, that's changing. AI-powered tools like QuickBooks and Xero are now automating a ton of the routine stuff, like tracking expenses and generating reports. These systems aren't just saving time, they're cutting down on errors and working around the clock. For businesses, that's an obvious choice. Why hire someone when you can have a machine do it faster, cheaper, and more accurate? So by 2025, we're going to see a lot of traditional accounting jobs disappear with AI doing most of the work. Customer service is another area getting hit hard. We've all dealt with chatbots by now, right? Well, these bots and virtual assistants are getting better every day. They can answer basic questions, handle troubleshooting, and even process returns, all without any human help. And the more they interact with people, the smarter they get. Companies are using these bots to handle tons of inquiries at once. Now, sure, more complicated issues still need a person, but for basic stuff, AI is taking over fast. AI is completely changing the retail game too. You've probably seen self-checkout stations popping up everywhere, and those are just the start. AI is also managing inventory, making product recommendations, and handling online orders. Online shopping platforms are using AI to predict what you might buy next, and physical stores are getting rid of cashiers. Stores like Amazon Go are showing us a future where you don't need human salespeople at all. Let's move on to couriers and delivery drivers. Companies like Amazon and UPS are investing heavily in autonomous vehicles and drones. These machines are fast, efficient, and don't need brakes. Some cities already have drones delivering packages, and self-driving delivery vans are next. As these technologies improve, it's not hard to imagine AI fully taking over these jobs. Fewer and fewer human drivers are going to be needed. Next is proofreaders. AI tools like Grammarly are already doing a great job at catching spelling mistakes, grammar errors, and even checking tone. These tools are constantly learning, and they're improving every day. Sure, humans are still needed for more nuanced editing, but for basic proofreading, AI is faster and more accurate, which means fewer jobs for human proofreaders. Warehouses are becoming more automated too. Robots are now sorting, packing, and retrieving items, especially in big operations like Amazon. These machines are super efficient, working 24/7 without needing rest. As AI continues to improve supply chain management, the need for human warehouse workers is going to keep shrinking. By 2025, a lot of warehouses are going to be mostly automated. Insurance underwriting is another job that's being taken over by AI. Algorithms can now analyze tons of data, calculate risk, and make decisions faster than human underwriters. AI can even predict future claims based on historical data. As these systems get smarter, fewer people will be needed to do underwriting work. By 2025, machines will handle most of it. Finally, we have market research analysts. AI is really good at analyzing massive amounts of data and identifying trends. These tools can sift through information way faster than humans, and they're often more accurate too. With AI becoming more common in market research, fewer human analysts are needed to process and interpret all that data. By 2025, a lot of these roles will be handled by AI. So how do you avoid being replaced by AI? I got you. Start using AI yourself. Learn how to incorporate AI tools into your work. Whether you're in sales, customer service, or finance, being able to work with AI will make you stand out. It'll make you more efficient and valuable to your company, and it could be the key to staying ahead of your industry. AI is changing the job market fast, and by 2025, a lot of jobs we take for granted will be gone. But don't panic. New opportunities are opening up too, especially for those who know how to leverage AI. The key is to embrace the change, learn to work with AI, and make yourself irreplaceable by staying ahead of the tech.